All right, so we got a we got a 2x6 deck. That's good, nice, thick material. This is definitely less than ideal, but not a deal breaker. Let's put a new top piece of wood on that. That's solid, solid. Eek, not very straight. What could we do about making this straighter for the boss? Oh, it's coming off from the fascia. It's coming off from the fascia. Okay, I'm starting to understand what's going on. Boy, this is a heavy, bulky railing though, huh? Everything's sturdy. I know what's going on. The reason that this is failing is because that fascia is coming off. But as far as fixing the deck, I'll use my buffing machine. I'll send a video of the process that I use with the buffing machine. But I use my buffing machine with a 40 grit paper on it, and it spins and knocks all the crunchy paint off. Then we really paint that thoroughly with solid decking stain in the color of your choice. Yeah, really in the color of your choice. It seems to me that we're trying to stay matching the siding, which I can do. I mean, if we want all new handrails, we can do that. I don't necessarily believe that that's 100% necessary yet. Let's see what's going on. This piece here is failing. Whatever's going on here is failing. A lot of weight that one board is doing work with. Oh, more than a couple screws. We got to find out why. All the joists run this way, just like that. All the joists run this way. Every place where we have 2 nails there, those nails are failing. I'm going to use giant 5-inch 5-inch ledger screws to send right into there. I could even give an example of how tight that'll get with the screws. Yeah, okay, good. This will get back straight in line, and I'll make that real tight. We'll clear everything that's in the void there. Even if I need to, I'll get under there and put additional bracing next to the existing joist, so I have even more screwing material to drag it to. All right, I know how to fix that. Good, we got it. Painting, it's no big deal. And tightening up this railing, now I have that figured out. Great. And this is just ugly. This is really just ugly. This is just ugly. I would like this to be straight in line with another piece of railing here, and I'll put some new spindles there because this just looks janky. We don't want janky. We want really nice. After that, this deck will look like $1 million. The railings are really big, substantial, and heavy. That's why it's failing over there and it's loose. That can be resecured with the right hardware. Giant screws into the joists and additional blocking behind it. All right, done.